stand by.
That's caffeine abuse.
Actually, you did that. You know what?
Shoot ready, stand by.
Yeah, well, you weren't too sure, but that red dot, holy crap, that thing makes a difference.
Isn't that amazing?
Well, the first time when I shot like that, I was trying to look through the iron sights.
Shoot ready, stand by.
Oh my God, Mark missed.
Hell yeah.
Shoot ready,
Well,
stand
Christmas
by.
is coming. Magazine.
Yeah,
Oh, you have
I got one.
Shoot ready,
You could
stand
just
by.
buy yourself one for Christmas.
Yeah.
Looks clear, back. Turn your sight off. Tag it.